Namaste friends. Today I am sharing some yoga postures for those people who are suffering from heart problem. Our heart is an organ that works continuously. It is a major organ responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. By practicing of these yoga asana, you can improve your breathing. They normalize your blood pressure. They improves your heart rate. They remove bad cholesterol level and boost blood circulation of the heart. Before start, myself Deepika Sharma, the yoga consultant. Now let's start. First, you need to sit on your mat with a straight spine. Relax your body first. Relax your breath and relax your mind. Start with heart chakra mantra after a deep inhale. Start with me. Take a deep inhale. Slowly exhale. 3 times. Heart chakra mantra. Yam. 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 Now relax your breath. Now the first yoga posture name is bridge pose. For that, lie down on your mat comfortably. Palms on the floor. Normal your breath. Slowly bend your both knees. Now try to touch your ankles by your hands. Take the position. Balance your body. Fully comfortable. Relax again your breath. Now with inhale, raise your lower body up. Right? Take a deep inhale. And exhale. Breathe here normally. Stay in this position minimum 10 breaths and maximum 20 breaths and as much as you can. By practicing of this yoga asana, your blood flows towards your heart. That will helpful for your heart problems. Make sure you are fully comfortable. With exhale, come back to the normal position and get relaxed. The second yoga posture name is Tadasana. For that, you need to stand on your mat comfortably. First, again relax your breath, relax your mind and relax your body with the heart mantra chakra. You can join your palms together, close your eyes, relax your breath. Yam. Yum, yum. Slowly open your eyes and take the position for Tadasana asana. Both hands, cross your fingers, hands on your head, right? Join your heels together. Open your feet. Now with a deep inhale, raise your body upside and balance your weight on the foot, on your toes. Inhale. गड़बड़ हो गया. Minimum 10 times, maximum 20 times you can practice this yogasana regularly. Make sure you are fully comfortable. When you go up, it is an inhale. When you come down, this is exhale. Now release the posture. Come back and you can sit on any crossed leg position. So friends, practice these yoga asana regularly and get positive results. And now after the end, chant the Om with me with a deep inhale. Now slowly you can open your eyes. I hope friends you like my content. Namaste, take care and goodbye.